I want to show you what 5.2 million Kenyan shillings can get you. Now, this is not your usual house tour. This is a perfect home because it's very warm, very airy, very spacious, very affordable, and it has very high returns on investment. So without even wasting any more time, let's get into it. So first things first, this is a premium one-bedroom apartment, 70 square meters, and as you're walking in, it is already fitted in with cabinetries. Here you can use to store your shoes. I mean, you can double in as your shoe rack. Moving away from the traditional kind of, shoe racks along the entryways, we don't want that. So this is very clean, as well as you can hang your coats over here. I mean, your visitors have somewhere to hang their clothes, and then you can put your decor pieces on this area over here. Up next, we have the lounge area. As you can see, I don't need to tell you, it is very, very spacious. It also comes with a balcony that has an amazing, beautiful view on the other side. This balcony is wide enough. You can put your seats over here. You can actually even do your barbecues from this. On this side, we have the open plan kitchen. Now you're going to agree with me that the storage in this one bedroom unit is more than enough. I mean, look at that. You have all these cabinetries. We have the smart cupboards without the handles, the handleless cupboards. I love that. I mean, it gives the kitchen this nice and clean look. Then on this side, we have the dining set area. As you can see, it is a 6-seater dining area, so you have plenty of space to entertain and make merry over here. This side we have a nice spacious laundry area where you can fit in your washing machine over here. And on this side we have the bedroom.
All that I see, a force you that you can't deny. Hear my calling, like a look, come running to me, dancing through the midnight. Got the red eyes in the night, like a panther out of sight. Wanna sing my battle cry, 'cause I am the unknown, I am the hunter, I am the great unknown. Only my love can conquer. I am the hunter.
The number is, as always, listed on the screen and on the description box.